Hello everyone. Welcome to your English second class of class 4th. I hope you all will be fine. Students, in our previous video, we had completed question answers of lesson number 3rd, Henry, and also some of the exercises. Now today in this video, we will complete the remaining exercises. Okay, so let's begin our class. Page number 45, we have completed up till exercise 2. Now let's move to our next exercise, grammar time, revision of tenses. Read these sentences. The chameleon changes color. The chameleon changed color. The chameleon is changing color. The chameleon was changing color. And the last one is the chameleon will change color. In all these sentences, this verb change is in different forms. So in each of these sentences, the verb change is in a different form or tense. Now what is a verb? A verb shows the time of an action by changing its form. Means by changing its form, verb shows the time of action. Means when an action is done. Tenses are the forms that verbs take to show the time of actions. Okay, now read this table to revise tenses and time. Now tenses and time. How many types of tenses? Simple present, simple past, present continuous, past continuous, and simple future. And where we use these tenses? Simple present is used in everyday actions and routines, something that is always true. For example, I go to school by bus. The sun rises in the east. So these are examples of simple present. Now simple past is used for actions that happened earlier. All of you know what is past. So these are the actions. Simple past is used to tell the actions that happened earlier. For example, I went to the library yesterday means I went to the library yesterday. Yesterday means एक दिन पहले. ठीक है. So it is an example of simple past. Now present continuous. An action that is happening at the time of speaking means कोई भी action जो हो रहा है at the time of speaking. For example, we are learning about tenses and time. अभी हम क्या learn कर रहे हैं? About tenses and time. So कोई भी action जो हो रहा है जब हम कुछ बात कर रहे हैं. So that is present continuous. Now past continuous is used for an action that was happening at some time in the past. Means कोई action जो past में हो रहा था. We were painting sunflowers in the art class yesterday. Okay, yesterday we were painting sunflowers in our art class. So that is an example of, this is an example of past continuous. Now simple future. An action that has not yet happened means वो action जो अभी तक नहीं हुआ है. It's cold, I will wear a coat means it's cold, I will wear means अभी मैं पहनूंगा coat. I am going to visit my grandmother on Sunday. Sunday means coming Sunday means अभी जो आने वाला Sunday है. I will visit my grandmother. So this is an example of simple future. Now let's complete this exercise. Complete the table given below. Here you can see few sentences are given and remaining we have to complete. Okay. First one is I walked to school, simple present. Then simple past, I walked to school. Here walk and here the form is walked. Now present continuous. In present continuous we use is, am or are plus ing. So I am walking to school. With I we use am. Okay. Now past continuous. In past continuous we use was, were plus verb ing form. Verb plus ing form. So here I was walking to school. Walk plus ing form. Okay. Now second one. KV draws a picture. Simple present. Simple past. KV drew a picture. Then present continuous. KV is drawing a picture. Here we use is here. Then plus ing form. And past continuous. KV was drawing a picture. Was ing form of verb. Then next one is we read. Simple present. again we read simple past. We are reading. With plural we use are. We were reading, and with plural we use were here. So we were reading. Now next one, they eat dinner, simple present. They ate dinner, simple past. They are eating dinner, present continuous. Then past continuous, they were eating dinner. With they we use were, and with singular with one person we use was. Okay. Now you have to complete this exercise in your book neatly, and also uh, complete it in good handwriting. Okay. Now next exercise, page number 47. Sentences can be positive or negative. Negative sentences are those that say not, means negative sentences are those that say not. So these are some examples of positive sentences and also of negative sentences. So first one is simple present. Do does we use in simple present plus verb. I like chameleons. I do not like chameleons. So this is positive sentence and this is negative, because here you can see I do not like chameleons. He likes chameleons. He does not like chameleons. We like chameleons. We do not like chameleons. Okay, so these are positive sentences, and these sentences that have not are negative sentences. Now next one is simple past. Did not plus verb. I screamed. I did not scream. Mrs. Ghosh screamed. Mrs. Ghosh did not scream. They screamed. They did not scream. Present continuous. Am is are not plus verb. I am looking for Henry. I am not looking for Henry. She is looking for Henry. She is not looking for Henry. We are looking for Henry. We are not looking for Henry. Past continuous. I was running about. I was not running about. Henry was running about. Henry was not running about. The children were. Here we use were. The children were not running about. Now next one is future will not plus verb. Mrs. Ghosh will complain. Mrs. Ghosh will not complain. We will complain. We will not complain. Okay. Now let's move to our exercise part. I hope all of you got this. Now exercise, put a tick against the sentences that are correct. Put a cross against those that are incorrect. They did not found Henry. They did not find Henry. So this is wrong and this is correct one. They did not find Henry. Now we did not eat lunch. We did not eat lunch. So we did not eat lunch is correct and we did not eat lunch is wrong. So make a cross here and make a tick here. I did not reach late. I did not reach late. So correct is this one and this is wrong. Priya does not like junk food. This is correct. Priya does not likes junk food. This is wrong. She does not walk to school. Correct. She does not walk to school. Wrong. Teji does not bully others. So this is wrong. Teji does not bully others. This is correct. Page number 48. Rewrite these sentences using not. Okay. As you can see here in this box, short forms are given. Means for do not, we can write don't. For does not, doesn't, did not, didn't, is not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't. Okay, so in place of this, we can write these short forms. So now let's complete this exercise. Mrs. Ghosh like papayas. So Mrs. Ghosh doesn't like papayas. Okay, for does not, we have used doesn't. People are afraid of chameleons. People aren't afraid of chameleons. My sister and I were looking on our project. My sister and I weren't working on our project. The baby is crying. The baby isn't crying. Means for is not, we used here isn't. Okay, same way were not, weren't, and here are not, aren't, and here does not be used, doesn't. Same way, I am watching TV. I am not watching TV. Okay, so all these are negative sentences. You have to complete this exercise in your notebook. Okay, now spelling. It's or its. Both are its, but they have a different meaning. It's a chameleon. It is a chameleon. It's means it is a chameleon. The apostrophe stands for the missing letter I of S. This apostrophe is for the missing letter I of S. It's a chameleon. Its name is Henry. Its means belonging to it, means the name of this chameleon is Henry. Okay, so this its shows the belonging to it. Its name means chameleon's name. So here this its means the chameleon's name. So this its means it is, and the meaning of its means belonging to it. Now exercise, fill in the blanks with its or its. So dash a hot day. So it is a hot day. So we have to write here it apostrophe s. The puppy is thirsty. Its mouth is dry. So here its mouth. Whose mouth? Puppy's mouth. Okay, so here we have to use its, not apostrophe s. Next one, dash looking for some water. So it is looking for some water. So here we have to use it apostrophe s. Here is some water. Okay. It's cool and puppy laps it up. So here you have to write down it apostrophe s. How happy the puppy is. Look, it's wagging its tail. Here it is wagging its tail. Whose tail? Puppy's tail. Okay, so look, it's wagging its tail. Here apostrophe s and here its. Okay, so you have to complete this exercise also in your book. So these are the exercises of lesson number 3rd. All the exercises are over, and also question answers are also over in our last video. So you have to complete this work, and also you have to learn these exercises and question answers. So this is all for today. Thank you.